Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. Thanks for watching our Pedrazzoli video tutorials. In these videos, we show you how to set up on the machines. This is the power button to turn on and off the machine. This key, by keeping it in this direction, will bypass the securities of the machine. To reset errors, to move the axis in positive or negative direction, to increase or decrease the speed, to start the automatic cycle, to stop the automatic cycle, to work in automatic or in manual. This is the emergency stop, a USB port, this is AX1 carriage movement, AX2 bend angle, you can increase or decrease the speed. This is AX3, the carriage rotation, AX4 clamp open, clamp close. This is AX5, the pressure die horizontal movement. This is AX6, the pressure die linear movement. This is AX8, I showed you before, to move the bent head horizontally. This is AX7, to move the head up and down. AX9 is the mandrel movement. AX10 is the collet open or close movement. AX11 is the former return movement. By pressing this button, if you launch the automatic cycle, the machine performs a step-by-step cycle. So after each movement, you have to press the foot pedal. This is the page where you can see all the machine inputs and outputs. This is the production report of the machine, where you can program the parts, see how many parts have been executed, see the name of the program, and all the machine timing. With this button, you can move manually and access to a desired position. For example, you select bend arm, 90 degrees, and press start. Follow us for more online video tutorials. Don't hesitate to contact your commercial partner for all your questions or doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Ciao!